Thank you very much, sir. Overwhelming elation sweeps us when we have gathered today to acknowledge the most talented performers of our school. This session has been memorable for all of us and for our institution because the students have achieved significantly in several areas. This would not have been happened without the struggle and hard work of our team members and our teachers. So the awaited moment has come to felicitate them who have given outstanding performance in this session. So let's start. Get ready for the award function. Now the time has come to acknowledge the star performers. I would like to call Mr. Muhammad Luqman, Principal of KCS on stage, and Engineer Sharifullah sir, that they should come up stage and give away awards. Parents, kindly clap for them. Mr. Malik Hakim Riyaz should come on stage and distribute the awards. The energy level of parents are very low. Parents, kindly clap for them. Second position goes to Bibi Aisha of class playgroup. The third position holder is Rehan Kabir. The next class is class nursery. First position goes to Khadija Ishal. The second position goes to Samra Javed and Muhammad Hadid. The third position goes to Alishba. Now I would like to call on stage Assistant Director, Institute of Computing, Mr. Altaf, Kohat University of Science and Technology. The first position in class prep goes to Muhammad Atif.
Ready?
Second position goes to Taiba Faryal. Third position goes to Muhammad Kashan.
Hi.
Thank you, sir, for your presence. Now you can take seat.
Ready?
Now I would like to call Malak Tavizgul, ex-controller of Kohat board.
Chalo.
Mr. Sanawala, Assistant Accountant Officer, DHO Orakzai. First positions in class 1 goes to Junaid Shah.
Ready?
Second position holder in class 1 is Muhammad Uzaifa.
Ready?
Third position goes to Mustafa Gilani.
Ready? Ready?
Parents, kindly clap for them. Now I would like to call on stage Mr. Rahim Dad and Aziz Nazim. The first position in class 2 goes to Marwa Jahangir. The father of Marwa Jahangir should come on stage, please.
Ready? Huh?
Second position goes to Sunaina Shafiq. The father of Sunaina Shafiq, kindly come on stage.
Ready?
The third position goes to Ambariya. The father of Ambariya should come on stage, please.
Ready? Sarjida food during
Now I would like to call on stage Mr. Abdul Aziz and Mr. Muzammil, Kohat University of Science and Technology.
बड़ा दुश्मन बना फिरता है जो बच्चों से लड़ता
The first position in class 3 goes to Arfa Luqman.
Ready?
Second position goes to Muhammad Mohsin.
Ready?
The third position goes to Muhammad. The father of Muhammad should come on stage.
Ready? 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 Madre.
Now I would like to call Mr. Vilayat Shah and Mr. Maqsood on stage to give away rewards. The first position in class 4 goes to Muhammad Hamad.
Ready?
The second position goes to Daniel Khatak.
Ready? Ready?
The third position goes to Muhammad Hamza. The father of Muhammad Hamza should come on stage, please.
Ready? Ready?
बड़ा दुश्मन बना फिरता है जो बच्चों से डरता है
Now I would like to call Mr. Mian Esargol to come on stage. The first position in class 5 goes to Aliza Asif. The father of Aliza Asif should come on stage.
Ready? Yeah, picture was down. Ready?
Second position goes to Munazza Shah. The father of Munazza Shah, please come on stage. The third position goes to Isha Iqbal. The father of Isha Iqbal should come on stage.
Ready? हवा खास कर दी Ready?
Now I would like to call Mr. Malak Atif Khan on stage. There is a tie in class 6 on first position. The first one is Muhammad Siab. The father of Muhammad Siab, kindly come on stage. Another first position holder is Arisha Gul.
Ready?
Father of Arisha Gul, kindly come on stage.
Ready? Ready?
There is a gift for Arisha from his father. The second position holder in class 6 is Hurain Luqman.
Ready? Okay, that's it. Ready?
The third position in class 6 goes to Fozia Gul. Father of Fozia Gul, kindly come on stage.
Ready? Ready?
There is a gift for Aman Mashal of class 2 from her father. Aman Mashal, kindly come on stage.
Ready? हाँ ना खत्म
The best performance of this event was the parade of army. From the staff of KCS, there is a gift for the students. 5,000 rupees. Siyab, kindly come on stage and receive the gift. There is an announcement of tour for KCS from Malik Atif Khan. Kindly clap. मिस्टर मलिक खान की तरफ से केसीएस के स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स के लिए टूर का इंतजाम होगा. And with this, we come to the end of this memorable event. I congratulate and appreciate the position holders and their parents who have put faith, hope and love together and have raised a positive person in society. Now I would like to call the staff of Paradise School and Mia Nisargul on stage for group photo. Mr. Hakeem Riaz, Mr. Taviz Gul, kindly come on stage.
Ready? Ready? Bas.
And last but not least, a big thank you to the audience who are the lifeline of this reputed school. Thank you, dear students. A great saying by Antonio Brown, the journey is never ending. There's always gonna be growth, improvement, adversity. You just gotta take it all in, do what's right. Continue to grow, continue to live in the moment. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.